vegan.
When you really want pasta, but you should have something super nutritious, ¿por qué no los dos? Toast your nuts. Well, bam. Garlic, all the garlic you have, put in all the garlic. I only have a little basil because parsley is taking over my garden. Blanch. This is kale, by the way. I told you we were being nutritious. Whap. Beans. Olive oil. A little bit of water to get it going. Oh my god, I almost forgot lemon juice and nutritional yeast. What am I doing? Cook it. Lots of salt and pepper. I wasn't going to, but I have to add vegan parm. It just adds like a really nice funk to everything, and I like a little funk. This is the pasta we're using. It's like Bonza, but cheaper. It's made out of chickpeas. It's from Thrive Market. Cough, Lincoln Bio cough. Pasta's ready. Gonna add a little bit of the water to the sauce. This is too much sauce. What am I doing? Honestly, I can't be mad at leftover pesto. We're gonna do something with this tomorrow.
Ever wonder why your kale salads taste way better at the restaurants? This is how you make your kale restaurant quality. You need to massage it. A little olive oil or lemon juice. A wee bit of salt. Now really massage it. Voila, a lot more tasty and less tough.
Today for lunch, I made this super yummy roasted sweet potato and kale salad. Start by roasting a sweet potato with whatever spices you'd like, and then remove your kale from its stems and massage it with some lemon juice. Next, put black beans in a bowl and slice an avocado in half. Then combine tahini, coconut oil, za'atar, apple cider vinegar, and some maple syrup. Once you've done this, you can just throw everything in a bowl and you're already done. One of the best salads in the world, and it's so easy to make.
My favorite guilt-free, yummy pasta recipe with pesto, onion, garlic, hot water, salt that water. We put our chickpea pasta in. This is my favorite pasta ever. It's guilt-free and so yummy. Zucchini fries. Let's go. Butter, garlic, onion, zucchinis, olive oil, pesto. Mix it all together. Add kale, add pasta, add cheese. You're done.
I know a lot of you are just getting started on your plant-based journey, and you probably hear everyone telling you to eat more kale. But a lot of people struggle with kale because it has a really strong, bitter flavor. This recipe will help you get over your fear of kale. It's delicious, crunchy, and takes the bitter taste away from the kale. And let's be honest here, there's nothing better than hiding your vegetables as chips. Like and follow for daily plant-based recipes, and full recipe breakdown is posted on my Instagram.
Let's make a white bean and kale soup. Start by cooking 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 carrot in a little bit of olive oil. Add a can of diced tomatoes, salt, pepper, parsley, basil, oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. And don't forget 2 handfuls of chopped kale and 2 cans of white beans. Cook your kale, add 6 cups of veggie stock, bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. And enjoy, my love!
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make kale chips with... Next, you're going to want to take your kale leaves off the stem. Now, you wash your kale. After washing it, you dry it.
Now you're going to spray them with some avocado oil.
After coating them with some avocado oil, you're going to want to put some ranch seasoning. Next, you mix it up so the ranch seasoning can coat every piece of kale.
Lastly, add some Parmesan cheese.
Next, add them to the air fryer. So this is how they turned out. Crunch test.
I know kale and addictive don't usually go together, but once I start eating this salad, I can't stop. Start by drying 1 can of drain and rinse chickpeas with a paper towel. Then season with a half teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of paprika, some black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Transfer them to a lined baking tray and roast at 425 for 10 minutes. In the meantime, make your dressing. To a mason jar, add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, a half tablespoon of red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, a half tablespoon of mustard, a half tablespoon of maple syrup, honey, or agave, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper, and give it a good shake. After 10 minutes in the oven, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rinsed capers to the chickpeas. Stir and return them to the oven for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, massage your kale with some of the dressing. I use 6 ounces of chopped kale and about 2/3 of the dressing. Don't skip this step. It's what makes the kale soft and tender. Let the kale sit for about 15 minutes, then sprinkle over about a 1/4 cup of shredded parm or nutritional yeast and the roasted chickpeas. Toss to combine, and that's it.